Hey there, See Smile Trains here, and today I'm going to be introducing you guys to the layout and to the channel. So here's the layout. I know it's not as impressive as other ones, but it's just 4x8 and it has everything that I need to get started. I do prioritize O scale, not any other scale. All my trains are from Lionel, not MTH or anything ever, just Lionel. Looking into trying to get more sets soon. That's pretty much all I wanted to say for this video, so let's run some trains. Now that is going to wrap it up for this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to see more, and that's it. Have a good day. See you in the next one.